Hi guys, I came to IKEA store in UK. Now I'll explore the IKEA store in the UK. So this is the way, and this is the entrance, and this is the car parking system. So this is the entrance of the IKEA store. It's located in the Bristol, UK. So I'll explore how was the IKEA store in UK. IKEA store all about home and furniture. So see, this is the entrance. Welcome to IKEA Bristol stores. Let's come.
Last time we went to IKEA was with Kia. That was really fun.
So this is the entrance. This is so many sections are there. So level 1, level 2 showroom. So let's export. We'll see the things. We'll check the prices. How is the prices and how the interiors, housing, furniture, all those things we'll check. Let's come. This is the showroom entrance, and these are the baskets. So if you think, take the baskets from here. So this is the
Look.
what is this called? Library bookcase with glass doors. So the price is £165. I don't know it is cheap or higher.
It's a good price for what it is.
Oh, okay. This is the interior. This is one more thing. Let's take a basket. Okay. This is the less £3. I think this one. Oh. And some. This is the bed. This complete bedroom.
Bapu, do you think you can buy this whole room
No.
for £10?
No.
See, look. Look at the face, Mom.
This is complete 4 sofa set. See, this comes under the price 850. Complete sofa set, 4 set, and 3 set sofa. It is 529, and 2 set sofa 399. Looking good. It has so many chairs are there. £280, £179. Okay, nice chairs. I like this chair. Chair looking good. Let's go the dining table set. Looking very super. And these are all the essentials. And this is the light bridge. It's 27 pounds. It's good. It's 27 pounds. It's good. And this is 29 frames. Oh, this frame looks very good. See? And this is 29 pounds. So it's very good. If we buy a gift anything, this frame we can give as a gift. It's looking good. And these are the photo frames. So this is 2.50. It's very good. 5 frames, 2 pounds. Oh, so sorry. I don't know, but tables is 75 pounds. And this is bed and good bed. The single chair is looking good, 75 pounds. And this 55 pounds. So we here from here you can check the products from the what are the products we have. From the here also you can check the Explorer. So we can check the cups and all those things. Even soap things, everything we can check here. We can have the this is the IKEA app. If you have one, we can. If you have the IKEA app, we can scan there. I can check all the products and the details. You can check here. £25. Hey, this table is £10. Oh, it's good. But £10 this chair. This table very good, but it is not the wood, I think. This glass table is the £50. Oh. This looks all the rooms. This is for the kitchen, washroom areas. So washroom essentials, kids essentials here. See, this is the kids, all the kids essentials. It's looking good for the kids essentials. Slide is £25. Kids bed. So all for the kids sections. So looking good. These are the kitchen.